Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public Facebook page. First, log into your personal Facebook account and navigate to the Pages section. Click Create New Page and select the page type that best fits your needs, whether it's for a business, brand, or community. Give your page a clear name and choose a relevant category. Finally, upload a compelling profile picture and a striking cover photo to make your page visually appealing. Next, it's crucial to fill out your page's About section thoroughly. Write a brief, engaging description that tells visitors what your page is all about. Make sure to include essential contact information, such as a phone number, email address, and your physical address if applicable. Don't forget to add your website link. This helps direct interested users to your main online presence for more details. Now let's customize your page further. Create a unique username, also known as a vanity URL, to make your page easily discoverable and shareable. Then, add a call to action button like Send Message or Shop Now to encourage visitors to interact. Before making your page public, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Ensure everything is accurate and complete, then hit Publish Page to go live. With your page live, it's time to start engaging your audience. Begin by inviting your friends and family to like your new page to gain some initial traction. Then, craft your very first post to introduce your page to the wider public and share what you'll be offering. Remember, consistent, valuable content is key to growing your community. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.